Clearpay primarily operates as a buy now pay later service and it doesn't issue physical cards. However, users can make online purchases using Clearpay by following these steps. Create a Clearpay account. Download the Clearpay app or visit the Clearpay website to create an account. You may need to provide personal and financial information. Link payment method. Connect Clearpay to your preferred payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Clearpay allows users to split their purchases into 4 equal installments. Browse online retailers. Visit online retailers that support Clearpay as a payment method. Many e-commerce platforms integrate Clearpay into their checkout processes. Select Clearpay at checkout. When ready to make a purchase, choose Clearpay as your payment method during the checkout process. Log in and authorize. Log into your Clearpay account and authorize the transaction. Clearpay may conduct a quick credit check to determine your eligibility. Complete purchase. Complete the purchase by confirming the transaction. Your order will be processed and Clearpay will schedule 3 more automatic payments. Monitor repayments. Keep track of your Clearpay repayments as they will be automatically deducted from your linked payment method over the next 3 weeks.